Hi friends, in this video we will see the responsive design, how to make use Tailwind CSS. Let's see. Using Tailwind CSS for responsive designing, we can create fully responsive website without writing in separate media query. Tailwind for our media first approach utilize predefined breaker point today. We will explore how responsive classes CSS में 5 main breaker point होते हैं. Number 1 SM, MD, LG, SL and 2XL. And here is a, can you say, prefix. Here is some keyword I have given. SM mini width is 640 and MD 678, LG 1014, XL 1280 and 2XL 1536 pixels, right? Let's see example. I have already write here some codes like can you see I have put here is a class text black. Text black is a by default color, okay, and here is put I am MD is mini width 768. So if go to the mini browser, so can text all change in blue, and if mini width get browser 1024, so change in the green. If mini browser 1280, that time my text it will be changed in red. Let's see. Can you see here is coming now red, right? It is a big size, right? Now I am going to small, now green, now and my control plus I am pressing, okay. Now you can take blue, now again black is a by default is mini browser 768 is a max width, right? Let's check another example, responsive grid and flex layout. Here I have given 3 column and mobile 1 column and tablet 2 column and desktop is 3 column. So I have here is add class grid and grid call 1 it comes only mobile device, and SMS and grid call 2 it comes only tab screen, and LG here is add breakpoint grid hyphen call 3. It means it is a comes in large desktop. Gap is 4, so gap 4 it comes everywhere because here I did not add any break pointer, okay. I think understand. Let's see example. Yeah, can you see here is a now it is a big desktop, so here is coming 3 grid, right? Now let's come. I press control plus, okay. Now here can you see here is a tab screen, it comes 2 grid. Now again press, now it is a mobile device, it come 1 grid. Responsive spacing, padding and margin. Here I am giving example, mobile is 4 and tablet padding is 2 and desktop is 12. Hi friends, now we see the in this. Now next we check the here MD is breaker point and padding 2 and LG breaker point padding 12, okay, mini width 1024. So let's see, I have here used 2 breaker point, and if suppose no breaker point 4, let's check, okay. Now here is coming padding 12, okay. Now it is a tab size, right? Here is padding coming 2. Let's see here example. Next is image. In image I have 3 classes used, like full width is default classes and desktop view is 50% and LG means desktop is 1/3 size it comes. Okay, so let's check. Here is a desktop, means LG desktop. So here size is a 1/3. Suppose I am going to the tab view. So tab view 50 pixels, 50%, and if I will come in mobile, classmates is full width. Can you check? Right? Let's check here. Mobile button is hide and LG means desktop button is showing. Then how to do? Less I have already put here some code. I have already add here is block LG breaker point. Let's see, desktop only, right? Suppose I am going to mobile. Can you see? It's hide. Now let's see one more example. Key in navigation bar, like in desktop, so our navigation, and mobile so is hammer. So here is I am adding one icons like only comes in mobile, and hide in desktop. Like can you see mini with 768 MD hidden. Let's check. Brand and everything. Okay, this is a menu just for example. Suppose I comes in the mobile view, so how? Check it. Can you see? Here coming this icon. Thank you.